Highlander MD100 is an accessory for enhancing professional work efficiency and making it easier. It features a 38-display OLED screen and RGB light buttons that indicate status with 48 buttons. The device is well manufactured and designed, constructed from CNC aluminum. The layout is organized into 5 sections, allowing for quick processing and display of commands supported by a 6-core processor that can accommodate over 500 PGM commands. The PGM layout is divided into 3 rows, with each row consisting of 8 buttons and up/down arrow buttons. Special command buttons can scroll up and down to change special command categories within the PGM commands on one page, allowing for 8 commands to be packed from the Highlander program. It supports the creation of over 100 pages of commands or 800 PGM. There is a section for settings to connect the Highlander REST3 program through an IP network by specifying the main IP address of the Highlander REST3 device and the Highlander MD100 local IP network. Values in the device button section can be adjusted using a special button for rotating and changing values as needed, along with 5 additional special buttons for controlling playback. Above, you will see the blue light status indicating link and info, showing that the Highlander MD100 device is ready for use and has successfully connected to the Highlander REST3 program. After that, let's check the command values that are available by pressing the special command button in the assign -1 row. Test by pressing the up or down arrow button to check the PGM-NO/TOP command values for how many there are in total and how many pages. On one page, there will be 8 PGM programs multiplied by the number of pages. For example, P1/63 equals 8 multiplied by 63 equals 504 PGM programs that have been sent from the Highlander REST3 program, created in the program and displayed on the Highlander MD100. When we scroll down, the pages will appear in the order according to the presses made. We can set up assign -2 to have the PGM-NO/TOP value the same as before by pressing the special command button to find the PGM-NO/TOP menu. Once found, scroll down and select PGM-NO/TOP P2/63. And we can also set up assign -3, which is PGM-17 to PGM-24. In the next sequence as well, or scroll down to other pages as needed. Above the special button section, in the special settings 1, 2, 3, 4, button 1 will have commands for BRI/CTRL, volume. Below, the special button 2 will have special commands allowing us to adjust and select for use. The OLED display will show commands for adjusting rotation and changing values. The special button 3 will have special commands for us to adjust and select for use. The OLED display will show local, which will be the part for adjusting the position of the display screen layer and the Windows screen layer. The section below will be the playback control for PTT, allowing us to press a button to skip forward on PTT. The special button 4 will have special commands for us to adjust and select for use. The OLED display will show commands for adjusting rotation and changing color. In terms of hue and color saturation, the special rotary dial for value adjustment. By pressing the middle of the dial, we'll shift the size of the frame according to the button pressed, and if rotated, we'll speed up according to the selected value. At the very bottom will be the playback control section. The play and pause buttons will display green and red, respectively. There are also stop, restart, forward, and backward play buttons. We can test the button presses and observe the results at PGM in the assign -1 row in the PGM program.